Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet sofa blanket designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet sofa blanket is a handmade blanket created using crochet techniques and designed specifically to be used on a sofa for warmth, comfort, and decoration. It is also known as a crochet throw, soft throw, or couch blanket. A crochet sofa blanket is a medium-sized blanket made with yarn and a crochet hook, used for draping over a sofa or couch. Both functional, warmth, and decorative, adds charm and texture. Common features: usually smaller than a bed blanket but bigger than a lay cover. Patterns: granny skirts, triple, chevron, bubble stitch, oval stitch, shell stitch, and more. Materials: acrylic yarn, cotton yarn, wool blends, chosen based on thickness and comfort. Styles: vintage cottage style, farmhouse rustic style, modern minimalist, collar blocked or striped, patchwork granny style. Why people love crochet sofa blankets: adds instant coziness and warmth to a living room. Enhances home decor, especially vintage cottage or farmhouse styles. Handmade and long-lasting, customizable, colors, patterns, styles. Work as decorative throw to style furniture. Why it is used: draped across the sofa back, folded or an armrest. Placed on a couch cushion, used as a cozy wrap during winter. Layered in bedroom decor as well. Here are some useful and easy tips for making or choosing a crochet sofa blanket, especially if you love vintage cottage and farmhouse styles. First, choose soft, cozy yarn. Select yarn that feels gentle on the skin. Acrylic, budget-friendly and warm. Cotton, lightweight and breathable. Wool blend, luxurious and cozy for a farmhouse or cottage feel. Pick neutral, earthy, or pastel shades. Use simple yet beautiful stitches. Create stitches for sofa blanket. Granny scarf, perfect for vintage charm. Triple or chevron, beautiful heavy pattern. Oval stitch for thick and textured. Shell stitch, soft and feminine look. Moss stitch, classic and neat. Make it the right size. A perfect sofa blanket usually measures 40 into 60 inches, 50 into 70 inches, large and cozy. Bigger blanket drap elegantly over couches. Add border or edging. A pretty border gives a finished look. Use picot edging, shell border, simple single crochet border, lacy edging for vintage cottage style. Use 2 to 3 colors only to keep it stylish. Mix soft neutrals. Use cream, beige, gray for vintage cottage. Use pastel pink, mint, baby blue. Add texture for warm. Thicker stitches or bulky yarn create a cozy, warm blanket, perfect for sofas. Try waffle stitch, bubble stitch, basket weave. Block your blanket. Blocking helps straighten-edged, smooth stitches give a neat, professional finish. Just dampen the blanket and lay it flat to dry. Style it on your sofa. You can style it in different ways. Diagonally chopped over on corner. Fold it neatly over the backrest, rolled and placed in a basket, layered with matching cushions. Mix stitch patterns for a unique look. Instead of using on stitch, combine a few moss plus shell stitch, offal plus single crochet rows, granny straps mixed with simple double crochet. This gives your blanket beautiful texture and character. Try chunky yarn for a luxurious feel. Chunky or bulky yarn works up faster, feels extra soft, gives a modern farmhouse vibe, perfect for winter blankets. Create a patchwork blanket. Join multiple squares or rectangles, like granny squares, hexagons, flower motifs. Patchwork adds a vintage cottage charm to your sofa. Use ombre or gradient yarn. Gradient yarn gives your blanket soft color flow, stylish, elegant look, lace effort, painting colors, great for modern cottage style. Add tassels or pom-poms. Decorative touches make the blanket special. Tassels on all corners, mini pom-poms on edge, rings at top and bottom. This adds fun and softness to the blanket. Use a larger hook for softer chopping, a slightly bigger hook than recommended. Makes the fabric airy, adds flowy chop, keeps blanket lightweight, perfect for light, breezy, cottage blankets. Choose washable yarn for daily use. If you keep the blanket on the sofa, use machine wash safe yarn. Acrylic or cotton blends are perfect. Avoid delicate yarn for everyday use. This keeps your blanket fresh and long-lasting. Add hidden color themes. Pick colors that match your room. Match cushion colors, match curtains or rugs. Use a theme like pastel cottage, rustic farmhouse, or vintage floral. This makes your blanket part of the decor. Use repeating straps for a classic look. Straps always look elegant. Thick rustic straps. Use thin subtle lines. Combination of 2 or 3 soft colors. Great for country farmhouse style. Make it double-sided. Use reversible stitches like moss stitch, linen stitch, thermal stitch. Both sides look neat on a sofa. Add floral or leaf motifs for cottage charm. Crochet flowers, leaf appliques, vintage rose motifs. Sew them on the corners or edges. Keep a matching pillow set. Create matching pillow covers. Matching granny square cushions. A small matching lip blanket. This creates a beautiful coordinated decor look. Use recycled or eco-friendly yarn. Eco-friendly yarns like recycled cotton, bamboo blends, eco-acrylic give a soft, natural texture that fits cottage and farmhouse themes beautifully. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!